Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your headphones HUAWEI FreeBuds 5. Make a hard reset. First of all, open the case and then press and hold connectional button until you can see that LED is start flashing red. Cool. Now, click on information icon near to your headphones or to settings button if you have, settings icon if you have Android device. Then forget this device and forget device again. Now close the case and I recommend it to go back and turn on Bluetooth. Now open the case, press and hold connectional button and click on the headphones. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!